Hey guys, welcome. So today we are reviewing a metal detector. I can't wait to get started. So let's show you guys what you get. So they supply you with everything you need. Comes with the manual and also headphones. And it also comes with a bag to put your metal detector in when you are finished. It also comes with a trowel as well as a pickaxe end. So this is easily to set up and comes with its own bag. Also has a compass on the other end. So it will take two 9-volt batteries. So you place it on just like this and thread this inside. So this gets plugged in to the back right here, and then this piece just gets placed right up in here. This piece placed right up in here. Twist this to tighten it. You can loosen this up to turn this around. Alright, then you take one of these caps off, pull the pin out, place the bar inside, push the pin back in, and you're good to go. Nice and stylish. You can change all the settings here. Your headphones go in here. All right, so after about 2 hours playing with this, trying to learn it, so yeah, the key is sticking with it and learning it. Once you learn it, you know to adjust the sensitivity. So when you have the sensitivity really high, it picks up stuff that could be, you know, inches or maybe a foot deeper. I'm not 100% sure. I still need to continue to reading the manual. So we changed the sensitivity, and then we were able to find, we did find a quarter from 1971, which is pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. But I was, for the most part, just trying to learn it. Overall, I'm very happy. I did find some rocks that were ultrasonic bursting right now. So this is a jewelry cleaner that I use. And as you can see, it's getting a lot of the dirt up. So just, we'll see some rocks. I did find a piece of glass. But we'll see what what the rocks look like for fun, of course. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with it. It was a lot of fun. I think you're going to be happy too. You just got to learn it. Alright, so these were my finds. Looks like some aluminum maybe. This, I don't know, is that charcoal? Some more. Some glass. Here's a nice piece. I don't know, is that charcoal? What is that? And there's our quarter.